Hey yo, what's poppin' YouTube? It's King Bird coming back at you again with another video, and today we talking about something that I've been seeing on YouTube and Instagram for a long time, okay? And it's all gonna be done in order of trying to get your skin together. I'm talking about acne, blackheads, all of that other stuff. Today, we gonna do none other than the black peel off mask, all right? Now, there's a lot of different brands that some people try. This is the only one that I found in Walmart due to the fact that we're in quarantine right now. So I'm not sure if this is gonna be actually something that helps out, or is this just something that people play with because it looks kind of childish. I hope this, actually does my skin good and it's not just, for some bullshit. Yeah, man, so let's look at the directions. Let's see what we gotta do to get it going.
This what I'm finna set up for y'all. Whoever ain't with this, don't even ask me for.
And just in case you guys are wondering about my background, I actually just moved into a new location, so it's gonna take me some time to get all of my furniture and all my stuff into the new crib, so my belongings are kind of thrown all over the place. So it's gonna be a little bit of an Easter egg hunt to try to find the things I need to make this thing work. How to use me. Thoroughly clean and dry your face with warm water. Okay. Guys, please make sure you shave first. Oh yeah, I'm not taking that L at all. I'm about to go ahead and knock all of this off. So now I gotta go find my razor. Come with me. Let's see what we got here. Nope. 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 Gotta be outside. Mission accomplished. Let's go back inside. Moment of truth. I'm about to shave, and I ain't never shaved before in my life. All right. I'm doing this just for y'all. Shit, this shit ain't as smooth as they make it look on the commercial. Shit. We have the mask. We have the brush. Here we go. Oh, come on now. Clean it up. Whoa, 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 whoa.
I don't know what it's about.
Okay, so I just finished putting on the mask. I made sure I didn't get any on my eyebrows, you know what I'm saying, none of my facial hair, because that shit's gonna hurt. Listen, that is gonna hurt if it's over facial hair. I trimmed my hair down, hopefully it's down low enough, but I guess the only thing to do now is to sit and wait 30 minutes. Hopefully it comes out good. It's honestly like I got an itch right here, but I can't scratch it because the 30-minute time limit is not up. Alright, you guys, so my face is tight as hell. Alright, it's tight. You see that? I can't. So I'm about to attempt to peel this thing off, man. Alright, start with the corner, alright? Got a good sticking ground, got a good starting ground, Yo, these this cat, oh shit, it ain't finished. Fuck it, too late, oh well. Shit. So I tried to wait like another. Oh nah, this side hurt. Yeah, okay. Clearly this side had finished and the other side hadn't quite finished drying yet. Bro, this is all cap. This shit don't even hurt that bad. I don't even know if I got the real shit. Fuck. Okay. Okay. Shit. Okay, dilemma. They say you're supposed to look at the inside, but I'm pretty sure that this brand is not like really for skincare. I feel like this is just for some some shit that kids do when they wanna. Please make sure the whole shit dries before you take it off, people. Alright, you guys, so that's a wrap for this video. I'm about to see, cause it's been another 30 minutes and this part still ain't dried yet, so I don't know what's going on. Hopefully this part of my face is not missing. It's King Bro coming back at you again with another video. Peace.